Happy birthday, Mantu Bhaiya. Congratulations on reaching the half century club. May your next 50 years be just as amazing as previous one. Have a fun-filled 50th birthday.
ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तू जिए हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मंटू भैया हैप्पी टू यू
हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे मंटू भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मंटू
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी बर्थडे मंटू 50वां साल ਦੇ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
हाँ मंटू बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो बेटे 50th बर्थडे है। निकार खूब सारी खुशियां दे, खूब अच्छा प्रफुल्लित रहो और वीर जी भरजाई जी सारे पटियाले हाउस को भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
A very happy birthday, Mantu Bhaiya. A small video for you. Hope you'll enjoy it.
तुम हो हम सबकी आंखों का तारा, खुशियों से महके जीवन तुम्हारा। आज है जन्मदिन मोंटू तुम्हारा, यशस्वी रहो तुम आशीष हमारा। तुम हो हम सबकी आंखों का तारा। हैप्पी बर्थडे मोंटू, congratulations for your 50 years on this planet. You have a wonderful life and best have to still come. I think, I hope your special day filled with lightens, laughters and lots of memorable moments. हैप्पी योर गोल्डन बर्थडे।
हेलो मंटू, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। 50 साल आपके बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपको बर्थडे पे। बहुत आप क्या कहते हैं इसको, मेमोरेबल है आपकी, ये यादगार रहेगी हमारे 50 साल। आप ऐसे ही आगे तरक्की करते रहो हैं मंटू। वी आर द बेस्ट फेवरेट ऑफ माई क्या कहते हैं,
पटियाला हाउस।
पटियाला हाउस। यस यस, खुश रहो बेटे, मजे करो लाइफ में पूरे। ओके, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Mantu Bhaiya. You are 50, but you don't look like one. May your next 50 years also be an inspiration to all of us, and you have wonderful, fabulous 50 years ahead. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Montu Bhaiya. We wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May God bless you. You have always been an inspiration to us. May you live long enough so we can see you toothless. Thank you and happy birthday once again.
बल्ले बल्ले
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
बल्ले 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 बल्ले।
गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
गॉड ब्लेस यू। हम तेरा 50वां जन्मदिन क्या 100वां जन्मदिन भी ऐसे ही मनाएंगे। देखियो हम भी बुढ़े हो गए ना, दांत नहीं होंगे ना जब हमारे, हम के हैप्पी बर्थडे मंटू, तू 100 साल जीवे। तेनू पता है ना तेरी बुआ किवें है ना, सारी दुनिया ने तारीफा की, मैं क्यों नहीं करा। मंटू तेरे वर्गा कोई नहीं है ना, और किनिया तारीफा चाहिए तेनू, ये गाना तेरे वास्ते ही बनया है। ओके मंटू, हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन।
विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे मंटू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, बहुत खुश रहो, नेक्स्ट 50 इयर्स और अच्छे से मनाओ।
You are the purest soul we know. Stay like this forever. Thank you for always being there in our life and always helping us in need. Enjoy your 50 years and many more to you.
यस यू आर चांद, ऐसे चमकते रहना, शाइन करते रहना।
हेलो मंटू, ऑल ऑफ यू बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस, हैप्पी बर्थडे, जीते रहो, खुश रहो, और आप जैसा तो ना भगत परिवार में है ना मेहता परिवार में, यू आर द ग्रेट चांद।
Stay the way you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Mantu, happy birthday to you,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday Mantu, God bless you, खुश रहो।
Hi Mantu Bhaiya, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Thanks to Komal Bhabi, she gave us opportunity to come and celebrate your special day in this unique way. I wrote something small. I'm not very poetic like Ritu and other family members in the house, but I tried a little. I know it might be a fail, but bear with me. When I peep through the window of my childhood and look down on memory lane, the little I've seen you and little I've known you, I see a Gora Chitta tall boy leaning against a wall and hands on the shelf in the family room in Patiala house, who was quiet in nature, but his eyes and vicious smile said it all loudly, who used to play badminton or hung out with his peers, but never played hide-and-seek games with his little cousins. Yes, Mantu Bhaiya, it's a complaint. Who was mature and responsible for his age, but used to do masti with his vadde mummy and vadde daddy ji without fail. Who was so respectful to everyone around, but a big heartbreaker to many girls in the town. Who never created trouble, you never created trouble, and used to only study with his room doors closed, but gave us all cousins hell by our moms yelling on us, "Tu vi pad le." I remember a boy who used to be a family boy. He used to love to sing, dance, and be open, but couldn't do all because he was shy. We saw a glimpse of your struggle to be at med school and your challenges for being adjusted in big town, but your strong determination conquered it all. I remember those Delhi days when you were settling down. I remember us, me, Sangeeta, Amit, and you chit-chatting and listening to your stories and laughing on the jokes and cracking all those jokes all night long. And now the window of my childhood memory lane got closed. Little that I've known you and little that I've seen you, I flee away long ago. And in blink of an eye, here we are. I see that young boy turning 50 and still holding family and the values tight by being there emotionally and physically when anyone not doing all right. So proud of you, Mantu Bhaiya, for all your accomplishments and achievements. And I'm very thankful for a big wise brother like you in the family, in our lives. I wish you all the very best. And here's Rampiki, he wants to say a few words as well.
Good afternoon from Montreal. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Mantu Bhaiya, and may the next 50 be even more beautiful, more fruitful, and more prosperous for you. Have good health and all the love. Thank you so much, and wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Bye.
ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਵੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਵੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਵੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਵੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਨਾਈ
बल्ले बल्ले क्या बात है, बड़े सोने लग रहे हो।
थैंक यू
कितने दी तैयारियां?
ਅੱਜ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰੇ ਦਾ 50th ਬਰਥਡੇ ਹੈਗਾ।
केड़े वीरे दा?
मेरे एक बड़ा ही सोना मंटू भैया, उन्होंने मेरे को इतना प्यार दिया, बचपन में इतना खेले मेरे साथ। I just love him. And you know what? In this corona time, we can't be there in India, so we are not gonna stop. We're gonna do party all night.
ओ बल्ले, हाँ
Happy
जी,
birthday.
happy 50th birthday, मंटू भैया. Lots of love from all the family here. I know we have not met, but heard a lot about you. You know, can't wait to see you. Happy 50th once again.
Happy birthday!
Yay!
Love you.
Hello Mantu Bhaiya. Today is your big day, 5th November. I wish you 12 months of success, 52 weeks of happiness, 365 days of health, 8,760 hours of joy, 5,25,600 minutes of love, 31 crores 53 lakh 6,000 seconds of contentment in all you do. On this auspicious day, may you be blessed with the best of everything. May Almighty God shower His blessings on you. You are a gem of a person. As Neha rightly said, you are the best man of the family. We do agree with that. Have a blessed life ahead and celebrate many more such birthdays to you. We love you from the core of our heart. And here you go. Tan tan tan. Happy 50th birthday. यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, यूं मुस्कुराते रहो तुम यूं जीवन भर। यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, यूं मुस्कुराते रहो यूं ही जीवन भर। हो जाए पूरे सब अरमान तेरे, नहीं कोई दुख आए पास तेरे। यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, तुम मुस्कुराते रहो यूं ही जीवन भर। हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, कांग्रेचुलेशंस पटियाला हाउस।
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday Mantu Bhaiya. We are having new age birthday parties these days. Okay, so this is a special day, special celebration as it's your 50th, you're half century old, but never mind, you're ageless. Okay, so as your name says, Pavan means wind. Your name itself is so inspiring, which means blow with the wind, go with the wind. Let us flow with the wind, the way life is. Okay. First is P. Perfect. Oh yes, you are just perfect in everything you do. Be it your family, be it your profession, your work, your relationships, whatever you do. I think you're just perfect. Okay, next is A. Affectionate. You are so loving, so affectionate. You spread cheer, smiles and love wherever you go. And extremely affectionate. Okay, next is witty and wonderful. Of course, you are humorous. You spread happiness and smiles wherever you go. and wonderful, extremely wonderful. We love being with you, we love spending time with you because you do wonders. Okay, next is articulate. You are extremely creative and articulate. We have seen the way you have set up your house, your workplace, everything. You're extremely creative, innovative, and very tasteful. Okay, next and last is noble. You know, this one is my favorite. I am yet to see a more humble and noble man like you. You are truly a gem. You deserve awards. Yes, the best man of our family award goes to you. Well, I can go on and on with the list of adjectives for you. But on your special day, I really wish you all the best. Have a great and blissful life ahead. We all love you. Happy birthday once again. Have a good one. Bye bye.
वीर मेरे तेरा प्यार रहे तेरी लाडली बन मैं जीती रवा एक डोर से बांधी है खुशियाँ तेरी खुशियाँ दी विच खिलती रवा है ख्वाब मेरी उम्मीद मेरी पूरा तो करे ओ वीर मेरे मैं जान तेरे और मान तेरा तेरा साथ रहे ओ वीर मेरे
हाय मोंटू मामा. हेलो मोंटू, क्या हाल चाल?
Happy
हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा. हैप्पी 50th birthday. I hope you all have a great time there. And I mean, we missed it. Of course, we would have liked to come there and celebrate this milestone here with you. But never mind, next year. Thanks to technology. मम्मी ने बोला था कि टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से हम सबको देख पा रहे हैं.
मजा आ रहा है और तेनू भी बहुत मजा आएगा.
Mondo, next year vodka party when you will complete 50. Yeah, because ये साल हम लोग वैसे भी डिस्काउंट कर रहे हैं. No one, I am still 27, she is still 53 and he is 58 but he acts like 65. So इनके हमने थोड़े 5 साल ऐड किए हैं. But anyway, a couple of things that हम सब आपको बोलना चाहते थे is thank you so much for all the times that you've been there as not just my mama or her brother or his brother-in-law, but as a medical professional, whenever we've needed advice, whenever we've got restless about things. So thank you so much. ये बहुत छोटी बात है, but it usually goes unnoticed, and we want to take this opportunity to thank you for all the nights that you've saved for us by just like making us feel calm about things. And for me personally, I think you've always set a benchmark about how to conduct oneself. और आपको जब मैं देखता हूँ एज अ सन, एज अ हस्बैंड और एज अ ब्रदर, आई जस्ट वांट टू एमुलेट व्हाट यू हैव. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सेटिंग ऑल द राइट एग्जांपल्स. एंड हम सब आपको दिल से बहुत बहुत प्यार करते हैं. वी डोंट से इट ऑफन बट वी ऑल लव यू अ लॉट. एंड या आई मीन हैव अ ग्रेट बर्थडे, हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर एंड वील सी यू ऑल सून. और मम्मी आपके लिए कुछ गाना गाना चाहती है, तो वील जस्ट शिफ्ट द फोकस टू हर.
मेरे तेरा प्यार रहे तेरी लाडली बन में जीती रवा एक जोर से बांधी है खुशियाँ तेरी खुशियाँ दे विच फुलगी मेरी खुशियाँ विच तू जीवे मेरी खुशियाँ विच तू जीवे इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. बहुत खुश है मोंटू, बहुत अच्छा लगता है तेरा
हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे
हो. ऐसे बहुत सारे 50 साल हो रहा है.
बहुत सारे. एंड सी यू सून. वेकेशन सून, वोडका पार्टी सून, एवरीथिंग सून. चलो, स्टे सेफ एवरीवन. सी यू ऑल. बाय बाय.
Birthday Montu bhaiya, stay blessed, Have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Dr. Saab. God bless you always.
Congratulations to Komal Bhabhi and entire Patiala house.
Montu, wish you a very, very happy golden birthday.
God bless you.
God bless you. Long, long life to you. Our blessings to you.
Happy birthday! God bless you with lots of happiness and success, Bhaiya.
Enjoy.
A very happy birthday to you, Pawan Bhaiya. May you live a long, healthy and wealthy life. May your all dreams come true. May you achieve all your goals. You are such a kind person and a pure soul. And you are a beautiful person inside and out. Thank you for being there with us always. And you make this world a beautiful place to live.
Few lines from my dear Papa. कभी अभिमान तो कभी स्वाभिमान है पिता, कभी धरती तो कभी आसमान है पिता, कभी धूप तो कभी छाँव है पिता. I love you so much, Papa. Happy 50th birthday. Let's rock a party. Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. Put it on man. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Put it on man. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. So hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I ain't got this, I ain't got this. I got you, baby. Just you, baby.
सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.